Welcome to today's episode of Gen 5 Resto Mods. Today's episode is I can't open my door. So it turns out that a lot of these 60s door latches for the Camaro, the Nova, Chevelle were all about the same. These are OEM replacements from OER, and one worked fine, the other one failed. So what happens is that you go to open the door and there's nothing. Push the button, nothing. Open your handle inside, nothing. Won't work. So I researched it, and a lot of people have this problem, and I thought I'd give you the solution. Took me a while to figure it out, but it's a typical mechanical engineering tolerance issue. So this is your door lock here. Door lock has to be in the up position. This portion here is that your door handle pushes up against this, okay? So I'll give you a couple close-ups here so you get a better idea what's going on. Okay, there's two different ways to attack this problem. One way is to get through here, this little hole. You can get to it, it's not easy, but you can get to it. But the problem is this screw here is in the way. And I could get it in there, but it's really hard. You got to do it by braille, and then you can press down on this. This piece right here is the release. Okay. So what I did was bend up some brake line, and this is from the top with the door in place, window down. Okay. The locking mechanism, door lock is open, and you can push in through here. Okay, and as you can see, then you can get the release. The claw releases, and then you're free. The problem is that I could not see this. It's obscured, and the only way that I could actually figure out what was going on is I have a scope here that allows me to look inside there where normally you can't see. So that's solution for your mechanism, your lock mechanism, latch mechanism that will not open. Okay? See you around. Bye-bye.